They are searching for a suspect caught on CCTV camera ransacking the home of a former IEBC commissioner in Kileleshwa and stealing a laptop computer.
NTV's Steve Juma with the details.
Police are investigating a Monday morning incident where a man was caught on CCTV camera breaking and entering a house in Kileleshwa through the back door. The CCTV camera showed that the suspect gained entry 10 minutes to 3 a.m. Confidently and carefully, this man, who has his head wrapped in a piece of cloth, is seen ransacking the house. Apparently, the next house was vacant and the suspect could have hidden in it before gaining access to this house through the back door balcony to execute his mission. The suspect's motive is not clear, and why he picked on this particular house of a former IEBC commissioner where the occupants were all asleep, and ended up stealing only a laptop. At some point, he realized that the big brother was watching. The complainant noticed the theft 2 days later when the child was looking for a laptop for an assignment. According to the complainant, there may have been intention to extract unspecified information from the home. The guard manning the apartment were arrested together with the caretaker, and they have since recorded statement on the incident. Police want the public to help identify the man by sharing information on his identity to report to Kileleshwa police station or the nearest station as investigation continue. Steve Juma, NTV.